Mammals. Facts about mammals. Science lesson brought to you by Evans Sakwa. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Did you know that? Mammals are born live. Only 2 mammals hatch from eggs. Mammals drink milk from their mothers. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Did you know that dolphin and whale babies do not sleep the first month of their life? Now you know. Thank you for joining me. Let's move together on this lesson that we are going to talk about poached mammals. Welcome. Look at this picture. What is the name of this animal? We are yet to know and talk more about this animal that is an example of poached mammal. Look at this picture too. The Virginia opossum is North America's only marsupial. There is an old folk tale that opossum young are born in their mother's nose, then sneezes into the porch. I like this. This is only but a folk. So we are also going to discuss about these opossums as another example of poached mammals. Here it comes. Another example. Bandicoots have 2 toes fused together while other marsupials have separate toes. So this is another example that we shall be talking about. So let's talk about what they eat and how they look. So, what's for dinner? Marsupials have different types of teeth depending on what they eat, from bugs to other smaller mammals or birds to fruits and seeds to eucalyptus leaves. Bandicoots, Australian possums, and American opossums are omnivores, meaning that they feed on both flesh and plants. So wombats, kangaroos, and koalas are the herbivores, meaning they dwell only on plants or herbs. The rest are either insectivores or carnivores. Insectivores meaning they just feed on insects. And then carnivores meaning they feed only on flesh. So marsupials usually have more incisors teeth than other animals do. Well, now you know. Now let us vividly look at these pictures of these animals we are calling poached mammals. This is a kangaroo. Now, why are they called marsupials or poached mammals? They are referred to as poached mammals because they have a special pouch where they carry their young ones. As you can see, this kangaroo here, it has a pouch where it has just put its baby, and now the baby is carried from here. Hence, this place is like a bag, so we refer to it as a pouch. Hence the name poached mammals. Good. Now, let us take some time and look at 18 kinds of marsupials. These are the examples. So, these are some of the marsupials that we need to know. Look at them, study them well. 1. Koala. This is the one we sometimes call koala bear. So this is how it looks like. This is the animal we are referring to as marsupial, one kind of marsupial, koala bear. Wallaby. Wallaby is also another example, as you are seeing in the diagram. So this is the pouch where the baby is carried. We continue. So that's what you need to know about wallaby. Number 3, opossum. Opossum is another one. That is the diagram. So it has also a pouch, just like the others, where it carries the baby. Then we have kangaroo. The kangaroo also is another example of pouched mammal. That is how they look. They also have the pouches. As we said, this is the pouch where they keep or carry their young ones. Another one, Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devil, how does it look? That is it. This is how it looks. Another example of a marsupial, or if you may like, you call it a pouched mammal. We continue. The next number, that is sugar glider. Sugar glider is also another example of a marsupial, and this one tends to be flying. There is number 7, quail. That is the diagram. That's how it looks. So we have to know a number of these mammals that actually we call pouched mammals, and the examples, you look at the picture. Look at this diagram here. That's how it looks. Then you have got waluru, or wallaroo. Wallaroo, that's how it looks. It's almost similar to a kangaroo, but just a slight difference. There is a slight difference. So we have got pygmy honey possum. How does it look? Does it? It looks a bit funny. Just a small kind of like a rat. So that's how it looks like. Good. We continue. Then number 8, we have marsupial. The marsupial. Let's see. How does it look? That's how it looks. Does it look funny? Scary? Wow. Does it? You are walking maybe on the road and you discover you meet this animal. You will really be scared. Feel like running. There is numbat. Numbat. Let's see how numbat looks. Yes, this one looks almost like a jackal. Looks almost like a jackal. And then we also have so many. We have others like this one here. So I would like us to stop from there. Stop from there so that the last one comes as a pademelon. Pademelon. Let's look at the diagram, then we stop from there. Yes, that is the pademelon. So this is another example. So you can see where the baby is carried. That is the pouch, and we refer to them as pouched mammals. So you need now to look at the characteristics of these pouched mammals, and then from there you do enough research on the same so that you equip yourself well with this another class of mammal. Thank you so much for following me, and then keep moving with me as we continue exploring on these animals. Thank you.